Okay, so we'll talk about comparator, and specifically I'll say it's a magnitude comparator. Okay, now once we say magnitude comparator, suppose we start with 2-bit number, right? Let me say it is look like 2-bit number. We have one bit A, 1-bit B, and we have three outputs. A is greater than B, A is equal to B, and A is less than B. Now for this, I have to make a truth table. The very first thing, whenever we have some operation or some idea, then we start with the truth table. So let's draw a truth table for this. So then what will be the input? It will be A and B, and what will be the output? A is greater than B. Let me say A is greater than B, and let me say it is a greater than. A is equal to B. It's a equal to, and A is less than B. Let me say less than. Now let us draw the truth table. Right. So 0 0. What about the output? If input is 0 0, which will be 1, equal to.
Equal
So this
to.
will be 1. This will be 0. This will be 0. Now 0 1.
So 001.
0 0 1. Correct. Now if you say 1 0 1 0 0, and once we say 1 1, we have 0 1 0. Now for this, I have to make a circuit diagram, right? So then circuit diagram, so you can say your G will be one output, your E will be one output, and your L will be one output. These three outputs we have. So G means A is greater than B, E means A equal to B, and L means A is less than B, right? So in case of greater than, we have only one single one. So do we need a truth table K-map to make this circuit, or we can directly get the value? Let me draw it so that you can understand. So 0 1 2 3. So here we have 1, A bar A, B bar B. So what will be the value in case of greater than?
AB dash.
A B dash or A B bar. Now what about equal to? So let me draw the equal to. So this is greater than, this is equal to. So 1 2 0 1 2 3. So what about this? Can we make pair? Do we have any chance? No, we cannot make pair. Sorry, should be B only. B only. Okay. So what will be the value for equal to? What do you think?
AB plus A bar B bar.
So A bar B bar plus AB. Now similarly, what about less than?
B A bar.
Or let's say A bar B. Got it? So we got three equations: for greater than A B bar, for less than A bar B, for equal to A bar B bar plus AB. Now let us draw the circuit for that. So we have this truth table, as we said, we have our truth table. Now with the help of truth table, we found out for less than, we have A bar B, for equal to, we have A bar B bar plus AB, and for greater than, we have A B bar. Right. Now I want to draw the circuit for this. So let me take here A. So A will feed, and let me take B bar. So B bar will feed. So this is your greater than A B bar. Now in case of less than, it's A bar B. So you got your less than. Now let's come to the equal to. Can we utilize this greater than and less than and make equal to?
Yes sir, L plus G का बार ले लेंगे whole.
So you can say L plus G whole bar. That will work. So
Yes
which
sir.
which gate will be useful to make this?
XNOR.
XNOR or NOR. So L plus G,
सर
it is
मतलब
OR.
एज अ होल तो XNOR हुआ, वैसे NOR हुआ. NOR
No,
हुआ.
I'm saying I want to utilize this G and L,
हाँ फिर तो NOR हुआ.
NOR
right?
gate, sir. NOR gate.
Right. So then what we'll say, this is your one output, this is your another output, and what we will use, we will club them together, and here we will utilize a NOR gate. So now we got greater than, equal to, and less than as a output. Now this circuit will act, you can say this is your 2-bit magnitude comparator. Let's say a 1-bit magnitude comparator, where A is 1 bit, B is 1 bit, and we have 3 outputs, greater than, equal to, and less than. You can say this is your 1-bit comparator. Any doubt till this point? Anyone? Guys, any doubt till this point?
No, sir.
Cool. Now, we already know it is not like only 1-bit comparator. We should have higher bit comparator. So let's try for 2-bit comparator. Now, once we say 2-bit comparator, how many input bits required? Total number of input bits, how many input bits will be required in case of 2-bit comparator? Yes. In case of 1-bit, A has 1 bit, B has 1 bit. Suppose I'm saying 2-bit comparator, then how many A bit will be required? 2 A bit, 2 B bit, right? Right or not? Agreed. You require 2 A bit and 2 B bit. Then only you can compare them together, right? So in that case, how many input combination will be there? Yes, how many input combination? Anyone? So in short, you can say you have A1, A0, B1, B0. So how many input combination will be there?
16. 16.
Right, 16 input combination will be there. Simply 2 to the power 4, because you have 4-bit information total. So 16 combination will be there, right? So in that case, your truth table will be look like this. So you have A1, A0, B1, B0, and then you have written A is less than B, A is equal to B, A is greater than B. So let's check. If your A1, A0 is 0, 0, B1, B0 is 0, 0, then A equal to B. Similarly, you will make this is 0, 0, this is 0, 1, so A is less than B. Accordingly, can you draw this truth table? Can we draw this truth table? Any problem to drawing this truth table? In here, you can say this is your A and this is your B. Can we draw the truth table or not? Just tell me. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Right. So we can easily draw this truth table. Once you draw the truth table, then what is the second step to make the circuit? Second
Sir,
step.
L,
Yeah,
G
yeah.
and E के expressions लिखने पड़ेंगे.
Right. So for you, we need to extract expression for L, G, and E. Right. So let us start with, so let's say this is L, this is E, this is G. So let us start with L equal to summation min terms. And can you give the min terms? So let me write it 0, 1, 2, 3, so that we can easily figure out. Right. So can you give min term of L?
So 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 and 11.
Right. What about E?
0, 5, 10, 15.
What about G? Right. So now you got your min-term equations. Now from these min-term equations, can we draw the circuit? Means can we draw the equations first of all? Then we'll look into the circuit part. Can we draw the equation? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 11. So let's try to draw the equation. Let me say L equal to summation M 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 11. Just try to complete at your end. Make this K map and find out the equation. One important point, here we have A1, A0, here we have B1, B0. So accordingly, you can draw your K map. If you change the order, you will get different answer and that might not be correct. So here A1, A0 bar, A1, A0, A0. Right. So here we have B1, B0. Just try it at your end as well. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so the equation will draw. Similarly, we draw for equality. Someone is washing utensils in the kitchen. Five, 10, 11. So 0, 5, 10, 15. Now let me draw for the greater than. So equations 4, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14. Guys, please mute if you don't want to speak. Mute. Okay. So we have 4, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14. Please try to complete at your end as well. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, so now could you give me the equations? So let me make the mapping here. So this will be one quad. Then we will have one person here
Another
and
pair.
another.
Yes,
For this, you don't have any choice, then go individually. For this, we have one quad
and two
one
pairs.
and one pair here, right? Okay, so please give the equations if you have done. What about L?
So A1 bar B1
A1 bar B1 plus
so plus uh, A naught bar B1.
A naught bar, A1 bar, B1.
Yes, sir.
okay. What about this?
A naught bar B1 B0.
A naught bar
B1
B0,
B naught.
right? We got equations here. Okay. Now what about this?
Sir, A1 bar A naught bar B1 bar B naught bar.
Bar A naught bar B1 bar B naught bar plus
A1 bar A naught B1 bar B naught.
plus
A1 A naught B1 B naught. Sir, plus नहीं
sorry. B1 B naught. What about this?
A1 A naught bar B1 B naught bar.
Okay. Now let's think, can we simplify this further? Is there any possibility of simplifying this? So let's take these two first and then these two first. For first two, what is common? A1 bar, B1 bar. Can we take this common? Then you will remain with A0 bar, B0 bar plus A0, B0. What about second? You'll get A1, B1 common, A0, B0 plus A0 bar, B0 bar. Now, what we'll get here from this? From this, both are same. Can we say it is your X NOR?
Yes, sir.
So let's say it is A0 X NOR B0. Now, once you take this common, what we'll get here? A1 B1.
A1 X naught B1.
Yes. So ultimately, finally, you'll get A1 X NOR B1 dot A0 X NOR B0. So ultimately, if you have 4 bit, let's say suppose we have 4 bit. So what we can do? A3 X NOR B3 dot A2 X NOR B2 dot A1 X NOR B1 dot A0 X NOR B0. If that will give 1, then your both numbers are equal. Right. Now let's move for greater than. What about greater than? Greater than equation, can anyone tell? A1 B1 bar plus, let's say this equation, this pair,
The B1 bar,
A
B naught.
naught B1 bar B naught bar.
B1 bar, B naught bar. What about this pair? A1 A naught B1
A1 A naught B naught
B
bar.
naught bar.
B naught bar. Right. Now you got all three equations for less than, greater than, and equal to. Right. Now, just for simplicity, I'm just doing some modification to give you some simplify things, and then you will easily understand to make it for the higher bit. So here I just try so that A1 XOR B1 and A0 not B0. Right? Let me simplify. First let me write it, then I will explain in detail. Then you will itself understand the things. So let me write it A1 B1. Now once you simplify it, what you will get? Let me expand this. So here you will get A1 bar B1 bar plus A1 B1 and A0 bar B0. Can we expand this further? Let's club them together. So what we'll get? A1 bar B1 bar A0 bar B0 plus let's look into this A0 A1 B1 A0 bar B0 here, and here I'm saying A1 B1. Now this term and this term, can you refer these two terms here? If I will say I'm looking for this term, what is if instead of pair I'm making individual, taking a singleton? So what will be the value for this term?
ये सर यही दोनों आ जाएंगे अगर उन दोनों को इंडिविजुअल ले लेंगे तो.
So if we take this individual, we'll get these two terms. In short, we can say the output of this equation and output of this equation for the same input set will be same. Can we say that? This you can say more simplified, this is lesser simplified. Can we say that or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. Again, for greater than. Now I'm going to the reverse direction. For greater than, let me take these two independently. This one and this one. Instead of making pair, I will take independently. So then for quad, it will be A1 B1 bar plus, let me take this. What will be the value for this? A1 A0 and B1 B0 bar. What about this term? What about this term?
B1 bar B0 bar.
Let me take first A1 bar A0 B1 bar B0 bar. Now, so let me simplify it in terms of X naught. I want to make a X naught, right? So what we can take common? Can we
A1 XNOR B1.
Can we take A0 B0 bar as a common, and you will get A1 B1 here plus A1 bar B1 bar here. So in short, we can say A0 B0 bar A1 X naught B1 A1 B bar. Right. Now let me rewrite again A1, sorry, this is B1 bar plus A1 X naught B1 and A0 B0 bar. Right. So in this one I started from here, and in this one I started from here, so that you will understand both the direction. Ultimately you will reach into the same place. So here I'm saying, here I'm saying I have L equal to A1 B1 plus A1 B1 X naught and A0 bar B0. And in this place we have this. So let me highlight all three equations with the boxes. We got G this, we got equal to this, and we got L equal to this. Now in these three equations, can you see some pattern, especially in L and G? Can we see some pattern? Are you able to figure out some pattern? Yes, anyone able to figure out some pattern? Not able to figure out any pattern? Yes, anyone? Okay. We keep it. I need few slides more. So that's here. Yes. Okay, let me write it in new page. Then you will see the pattern. L equal to A1 bar B1 plus A1 X nor B1 A0 B0 greater than A1 B1 bar plus A1 X nor B1 A0 B0 bar equal to A1 X nor B1 dot A0 X nor B0. Right. Now let me write three equations that we have taken for one bit. L equal to, let me take 0 only over there, A0 bar B0, that is for one bit, greater than A0 B0 bar and equal to A0 X naught B0. Now are you able to see some pattern here? What exactly this equation is doing? What exactly this equation is doing? This is quite okay. Equality, because they are taking X nor with individual bits, and if it is 1, then the AND is 1, then you can say it's equal. Anything that you see in less than and greater than. For your reference, this 1-bit equation is also given. Yes. Take 1 minute, 2 minutes, and if you are able to figure out something, what is going on?
सर इनके बीच में रिलेशन मतलब अगर L प्लस जी करेंगे तो वो E बन जाएगा वैसे.
I am saying instead of saying relation, pattern. Some
सर
pattern.
लिटरल सेम है बट जिसमें उसका मतलब लिटरल सेम है बस उनका कॉम्प्लीमेंट हो जा रहा है जी में.
Okay. Anything else? Okay. Now let me give you another thought process. Suppose you have a equal to 1 0, and let me say this is your A1 bit, this is your A0 bit, and you say we have B that is 0 1, and this is your B1 bit, this is your B0 bit. Once you compare this, how you will compare? If you want to compare A and B in terms of magnitude, how you will compare? From where you will start? Suppose you are comparing like for the greater than. Left side, then what you will say for the first bit?
Sir, A greater than B, मतलब A1 greater than.
Right. So you'll say if A1 is greater than B1, do we need to move forward?
No sir, already वो हो गया.
हो गया ना? Now, if you want to check A1 greater than B1 in case of digital design, or you can say digital system, how you will check it in case of 1 bit? You have equation. If this is 1, then you can say this is greater than, and if it is 0, you can say it is not greater than. Got it? Got it or not?
Yes sir.
So means you can say in order to check A1 is greater than B1, what operation
A1
you have
B1
applied?
bar.
A1 B1 not. Is really we are doing the same thing for greater than.
Yes.
Now next, suppose I am saying this is 1 1. Let's say I am changing 1 1. Now again, first you will start with the first one. You will say A1 not A1 dot B1 bar. Then what it will give? It will give 0 as a output. So it will say no, it is not greater. So then what you will check? You will check if they are equal, then only it is good to go forward. If they are not equal, then we are out anyways. So then the second thing what you will check is they are equal. A1 is equal to B1 or not. Got it? So then second equation, or you can say second part, if this is false, this is 0, then only you will move forward. The next step you are checking if they are equal or not. If it will say yes, they are equal, then what we will do? What we'll do in the next step, we will check is A0 is greater than B0 or not. If yes, then your A is greater than B. If no, then A is not greater than B. Got it? Any doubt till this point? Anyone? Got it or not?
सर इसमें इक्वालिटी क्यों चेक की तो मतलब इक्वालिटी चेक करने की क्या जरूरत थी सीधा ऐसे ही कर लेते जैसे पहले बिट में
Correct. Let me take another example. Suppose I have A that is 0 1 and this is B, this is 1 0. So definitely in the first step, A1 is not, or you can say A1 dot B1 bar, right? This will give 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now if this is not equal, then do we need to move forward? Now what about this? What it will give? If you apply A0 B1 bar, what it will give? Sorry, B0. If you take only this term, what it will give?
1.
1. So in that case, what will happen? Suppose this term is not there, only we check greater than. Then what will happen to this question? What it will say? It will say A1 is not greater than B1, but A0 is greater than B1. Got it?
Yes, sir. But वो final result फिर गलत दे देगा ना कि A greater than B दे देगा.
Of course, because this term, if this equality is not there, this term will give 1. As it will give 1, then it will say, okay, A is greater than B.
Yes.
Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Great. So that's why we have to check first equality, then only we'll move forward to check the second term, it is greater than or not. Same story with the less than. First it will say A1 is less than B1. If you say yes, then you don't need to worry further. But it will say no, it is not less than. Then you have to check equality first. They should be equal. Then only need to be measured the second value. Got it?
Yes.
Got it, everyone? Any doubt till this point? Anyone, any doubt till this point? Guys, any doubt?
So can you give one more example of this thing?
Yes, yes, definitely. So let me say, let me erase. Okay, so let me erase. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So erase this example as well. We'll take one more example here. Right. So suppose I'm saying my A equal to 1 1 and B equal to 1 0. Right. Now what will happen? So actually you will check all three equations to check the output, final output. So let us start with the equality equation. what will happen? A1 XNOR B1. So this is your A1, this is your A0, this is your B1, this is your B0. So what will happen? A1 XNOR B1, it will become 1 plus A1 XNOR B0, sorry, it is dot 0, final answer will be 0. Now let's look into the greater than. A1, so first it will check A1 dot B1 bar, this will give 0, plus then it will say A1 XNOR B1, yes, it will be 1, dot A0 B0 bar, yes, it will be 1, so finally you will get answer 1. Now let's check less than. A1 bar B1, what it will give? It will give 0, plus A1 XNOR B1, it will give 1, dot A0 bar B0, what it will give? A0 bar B0 will also give 0, so you will get final answer 0. So this will be your output. So A is greater than B. Any doubt till this point? Anyone? Guys, any doubt?
No, sir.
Cool. Now, why I'm expressing this in this way? Now, can we make 4-bit magnitude comparator in the same way?
Yes, अब तो ऐसा कितने भी बिट्स का बन जाएगा, पैटर्न बन गया.
Exactly. That pattern that we are looking for. Now we got the pattern. So let's make for the 4-bit, right? So let me erase this example. And try for the 4-bit. Right. So let me make for the 4-bit. So for 4-bit magnitude comparator. Right. Now, so what will be the equation for less than?
तो हो जाएगा.
Here we have A3. Let me write it. A2, A1, A0, and B3, B2, B1, B0. Right. Now in this way, we have to find the equation for less than. Yes, how will we start?
A3 bar B3
A3 bar B3
plus A3 XNOR B3
A3 XNOR B3
एंड फिर ये सेम चलता रहेगा ऐसे A2 बार B2
बोल दो मैं लिखता जा रहा हूँ.
प्लस A2 XNOR B2.
Now again here important is really only A2 is important.
यस सर, क्योंकि पहले वाला तो कंपेयर हो चुका है ना.
But पहले वाला कंपेयर हो चुका है, बट बाई चांस A3 का अगर हमने इक्वलिटी चेक नहीं की तो सेकेंड थर्ड टर्म तुम्हारा रॉन्ग हो जाएगा.
तो A3 की
Because they are in
इक्वलिटी
OR.
एक्चुअली.
Yes, we have to check equality for all precedence numbers.
हाँ वो तो.
So A3 XNOR B3 dot A2 XNOR B2 dot, now we'll check for the lesser than.
A1
That
बार
is A1 bar B1 plus, now we have to go for last term,
A3 XNOR B3 A2 XNOR.
A3 dot A2 XNOR B2 plus A1 XNOR B1, then A0 bar B0. This will give you the less than for 4-bit. Similarly, for greater than, what will be the greater than?
A3 और B3 के बीच में बार बार
These
बदल जाएगा,
terms
बाकी same
will
है.
give just modified. So in this place, it will become A3 B3 bar. This place will become A2 B2 bar. This place will become A1 B1 bar, and this place will become A0 B0 bar. Remain will be, you can say, same. So this will come here. This will come here. This will come here, and you'll get the expression for the greater than. Now, what about equality?
A3 XNOR B3 into A2 XNOR B2 into
Right.
A1 या ऐसे A0 के
Got it.
A0 XNOR B0.
So now you are able to make any bit magnitude comparator. Actually, you got the idea, you got the pattern that we was looking for. Any doubt, guys? Anyone? So we started with 1 bit, then we go for 2 bit. From 2 bit, we found some pattern. And now once we got the pattern, now you can make 4 bit, you can make 8 bit or any number of bits. Just we have to follow the pattern. Any doubt? Anyone? Guys, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so if you don't have any doubt, any query, then that's it for today. I think you understand the comparator well.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Great. So that's it for today. We'll catch you in the next lecture.